As a licensed financial advisor and insurance agent, please note that the following information is of a general nature and may not be applicable to your specific financial circumstances. It is essential to understand that financial risk is always present and actual results may vary significantly from expectations.
Hey, good afternoon. This is Mike Barnes, the financial first responder. Listen, I got a story to tell you today, but what I really want to talk to you about, the financial first responder hopes you take this information with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice today. This is information that I think you should know. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the 5 ways to turn your disability compensation into wealth. So if you're a disabled vet, this one right here is for you. Now I'm going to talk about some law enforcement stuff in here, but this one is for you. So what we're going to be talking about is treating your compensation as seed money, not just support. Investing a portion wisely, eliminating high interest debt strategically, and using benefits to reduce monthly expenses while building passive incomes, streams of income to be exact. Without that, let's get started. What if I told you your disability compensation could be the foundation of your financial freedom, not just a monthly check? You're probably saying, well, first responder, talk on. The first thing that I want you to think about is treating your compensation as a seed of money. Now you've got it rated, whatever your rating is, and you're receiving a check on a monthly basis. This is not just support. This is a mindset shift. Stop viewing it as the safety net and view it as the startup capital for your future. I once heard an entrepreneur say that your job was your first business partner. Well, actually, if you're receiving disability benefits, that is actually your business partner. Now, what do I mean by that? You can start with that small side business. Some of you are security consultants. Some of you do training courses or training programs. You sell or resell tactical gear. Use that money to help seed some of the things that you want to do. Using a part of that check to enroll in a skills certification program could help you make money in your own business. And you're probably saying, well, why does this matter? What I want you to think about is I want you to approach this as an opportunity to put that check that you get on a monthly basis to work. That's what I want you to think about. The next thing is I want you to invest wisely. Starting small but consistent investing helps you build compound growth over the decades and over time, because you're going to continue to get this payment provided we live long enough, right?